Hello guys, let me show you what happened to me last night. A few days ago my server crashed and the guys from Lumadoc moved my VPS to another server, and in the last few days I was not trading at all. But let me show you what happened. Yesterday, before I went to bed, I launched again the Goldie Razor version 2.8.5, and by mistake I forgot to turn off the recovery function, which you can do it here. Let me show you first. The recovery function can be enabled here. So let me explain. When a breakout starts and it goes to the opposite direction, it brings immediately the recovery. I usually do not use this one. I use only the reversal, because for me it worked very well until since I started to use this new version. But yesterday, because I was in a hurry and it was late, I forgot to turn this option off. And when I wake up, I looked at the comments here, and as you can see, I have here the first recovery. Let me show you what happened. So at 1 and 22 minutes, I think, no, at 1 and 22 minutes, okay, let me show on the chart. I think here 1 and 22 minutes, my advisor started a sell position for the gold, and as you can see, it was a fake breakout. Immediately he ended the trade at 1:25 and 70 seconds, and immediately, as you can see, he started a recovery trade. So this one was at 1 and 25 minutes. Let me show you here. I think it is this one. So the expert advisor started here and stopped here, because if you look carefully, take a look at the gold, he went up quite a bit, and instead of having here only minus $13, normally it would be $120. I usually don't mind, because during the day it will recover, but because I did not use until now this feature, I think I will start to use it, because I will not see those big negative trades. I will test it next week to see how it works. So take a look. Instead of having here $120, because the gold, the price went quite high, he stopped at minus 13 and he started a new trade, which is recovery. Let's see if I have another here. It is another one, but it is with 0. Probably here it will be also bad, because it's sell, and take a look at the trend. It is an upward. Here he stopped that negative trade with 0, which is much better. Let's move to the bottom to see. Now I think these ones are all of them. Here it is another one a few minutes ago. It is a fake breakout. He started the recovery, but instead of having minus $120, I have minus $12 or $13 together, maybe 40. Take a look. Let's see. And so for today is 4 June. I have 164. It is quite a good day, but I'm happy that I forgot to turn the recovery off, because from now on I might use it. Let me show you also another trick, because someone asked me via email. You have here a lot of grids. If you want, for example, like here on this one, on this reversal, if you want the grid to be smaller or to have more lines, all you have to do is go to the settings, and here you can change this value 6 to maybe 10 or 9 to see how it works. So if you take a look here, the reversal trade started, and when the price arrived at the step 1, the stop loss was at edge bot. When the price went to this line, the price to this line, which is step 2, the stop loss moved to step 1. When the price arrived at step 3, the stop loss moved to step 2. I think you also try to see how it works. I think it will bring you more revenue, but we need to test. So I recommend you tomorrow, because it's Friday and it is an NFP, do not trade at all. Take a break, and so you can start next week with more power. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.